full transparency, right? I mean, that's the only way I know how to be is I'm not going to sugarcoat it. I mean, raising equity it's a grind. It's not easy. The follow up it takes, the people aren't just going to hand you over money, right? And systems, right? Like you need to have a good way of bringing in the leads, building a thought leadership, doing online ads, whatever it is. And then that needs to go into some type of system, into your CRM, and then you need to nurture that. And then once you actually are trying to put these investors into a deal, then it becomes your follow up, right? Do you have a system that's automatically texting them and reminding them? Is there, the email drip campaign? Do you then follow up with a phone call if they do a certain thing within that system? And I'm talking about at scale, right? Like at a high level, not somebody that's trying to raise $1 million and they're going to call a few people. I'm talking about if you're trying to raise for 3,000 units, that's going to be